Assalamu alaikum and very good evening to all. You know what? I have a little secret to share with you all. Along with me, my big papa, Mr. Muhammad Ali, is also participating in the Otikans Melody Fest. Let's make this a super fun and memorable event. You can send your entries to the number below. Big Papa, namakku adichi polikyanam.
ഹലോ റാംസി മോനെ, നമ്മുടെ പരിപാടി വളരെ വളരെ ഉഷാറാക്കട്ടെ.